Please subscribe to our very own Ishm YouTube channel and do not forget to push on the bell icon for latest updates and new videos.
Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Abhishek and I am associated with the International School of Hospitality Management. A very common question students have nowadays. A very common question. The first question, in fact, in all interview boards, whenever students go in the hospitality industry और जब interview face करते हैं तो शायद हर एक HR manager या ये आपको एक सवाल शायद पूछेगा, what is your future in the hospitality industry? Where do you see yourself? That day I asked this question in front of my class. मैंने क्लास में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स थे मेरे, सबके सामने मैंने ये पूछा कि भाई क्या बनना चाहते हो? What is your future? Believe me, many of them told me, sir, I want to become a GM of a hotel. I want to become a general manager of a hotel. Good. Really. I'm proud. I was really, मेरा छाती एकदम चौड़ा हो गया कि चलो मेरे बच्चे GM बनना चाहते हैं. But among them, one girl stood up and asked me a very simple question. कि sir, कैसे? How? So today in this interesting yet small video of the Edu Netflix series of ISHM, I'm going to tell you, or we are going to discuss how to become a general manager of a hotel and what it takes to become a general manager of a hotel. Okay. Now before I do that, let us see a short video that I saw some days back about the interview about Mr. Emmanuel Riccardet. Emmanuel Riccardet is the general manager of the Westin Hotel in of Paris, Vendôme. चलो हम लोग देखते हैं. All right? Okay.
So I started my career in the mid-80s, first as a bellboy and a doorman, moving then to a concierge clé d'or. Later I wanted to experience something different, so I went to university to get a degree in sales marketing, which gave me the opportunity to work in group sales, then in sales executive. But as I was missing operations, then I moved to the banqueting, which doesn't seem obvious from the sales, but I did. Then to the food and beverage management, moving then to the French Riviera. And then I got my first operations manager position in Portugal. And it's the same country which gave me my first GM position, moving then to the sunny island of Tenerife. And now for the last 3 years as GM here at the Westin.
Now, that was really inspiring. Can you believe that? एक bellboy. He was a bellboy of a hotel. Bellboy say he has become a general manager. So my first point to you, all of you, is it easy? No. Does it take a lot of hard work? Yes. But is it impossible? Not at all. 6 points one can consider to become a general manager of an establishment. Number 1, you have to be a part of the hospitality industry. Number 2, you have to discover the world. Third point, you have to keep taking the promotions that come your way. Number 4, always be ready when they change your tracks. Number 5, you have to be ready for the opportunity when it comes on your doorstep. And finally, you have to be consistent in your performance regularly. As I said, we in ISHM, all the management faculties of ISHM, can only show you the path. This is the path that you take. रास्ता हम लोग दिखा सकते हैं, चलना आपको है. All right. I would really like to take this opportunity to thank you. आप सबको बहुत दिल से आपको शुक्रिया बोलना चाहता हूँ कि वीडियो देखने के लिए. प्लीज़ हमारे YouTube चैनल पर सब्सक्राइब करें. We are also on Facebook. You can go to our website, which is www.ishm.co.in, and be posted for latest updates in our upcoming Edu Netflix. Thank you. It is me again, Abhishek, signing off for today. Meet you again soon.